So here's a spot where there is not damage. Yep, replacing that tab. There's not damage already. Though it's near damage, there's no damage here. Pockets full of nails. Oh, shingle out. New shingle in. And you can really already see it right there on those two that were not like that. You can just see it. And there's only so many places you can go. Yeah, a little bit on that one. And that's just from trying to do a repair. And then of course there's spots like this that was already like that because they're everywhere. So it's hard to get a spot that isn't like that. All right, now we'll do the other side.